Did you know that companies with structured business development strategies grow 30% faster than those without? In a competitive global marketplace, business development has become the critical engine of organizational growth and sustainability. Organizations are struggling with fragmented growth strategies, missed opportunities, and ineffective approaches to expanding their business ecosystems. Many companies find themselves trapped in reactive modes, lacking the sophisticated skills needed to identify, cultivate, and convert potential business opportunities. Professionals across sales, marketing, and leadership roles are challenged by the complex landscape of modern business development, struggling to build meaningful relationships, navigate intricate network dynamics, and create sustainable growth strategies. Our comprehensive certification program provides a transformative approach to business development that goes far beyond traditional sales techniques. Participants will master advanced relationship-building strategies, strategic networking methodologies, and innovative approaches to opportunity identification and cultivation. The course delivers a holistic framework for understanding the entire business development ecosystem, combining strategic thinking, interpersonal skills, and practical implementation techniques. Organizations will experience profound benefits, including expanded business networks, more effective opportunity conversion, and a more strategic approach to business growth. Participants will develop the ability to create comprehensive business development strategies, build meaningful professional relationships, and transform potential connections into sustainable business opportunities. Teams will gain a sophisticated understanding of how to approach business development as a strategic discipline, creating a repeatable process for organizational expansion. Business development is the art of turning potential into performance. Don't let your organization remain stuck in traditional growth models. Take the first step towards becoming a business development powerhouse. Enroll now and revolutionize how you approach business growth and opportunity creation.